In the practice module for Prep E, we're going to spend a lot of time working with major and minor five-finger patterns. So it's a good idea to really get comfortable with building these patterns and practice memorizing their location on the keyboard. So let's talk about the major pattern first. As you have learned, the major pattern starts on a tonic, which can be any note. I'm going to start on C. Goes up a whole step, up a whole step, up a half step, and up a whole step. This is a C major pattern. Now let's practice building that pattern on a different starting note or tonic. Let's start on G. So this is my tonic note. Up a whole step, up a whole step, up a whole step, up a whole step. G resembles the C major pattern in that all the keys are white. G and C. Not all major five-finger patterns use only white keys. Let's build a major five-finger pattern on A. A is our tonic note. Up a whole step, up a whole step, up a half step, up a whole step. You'll notice that the A major five-finger pattern contains a C sharp. The middle note is a black key. When playing in an A major pentascale position, start out by having your fingers covering all the notes of the position. If there's a black key in the position, keep your finger on that key the entire time. Now I'm going to play a D major pentascale. It's very similar to the A major pentascale because it has a black key in the middle of it, just like A did. D is my tonic, up a whole step, up a whole step, up a half step, up a whole step. Let's build a major pentascale on the tonic F. Tonic, up a whole step, up a whole step, up a half step, up a whole step. This is how the F major five-finger pattern looks. The black key is played by finger number 4 in my right hand. When playing a five-finger pattern with the left hand, you start with your 5th finger on the tonic. You go up a whole step, up a whole step, up a half step, and up a whole step. So your fingers are covering the same position, the same notes rather, in both your right hand and your left hand. It's easy to change between a major five-finger pattern and a minor five-finger pattern. All you have to do is lower the 3rd finger, or the 3rd note, by a half step. So a D minor pentascale is all white keys. So let's do A. So A major, we learned, looked like this, with the whole step, right there, giving me the C sharp. So if I want to make that minor, all I do is lower the 3rd note a half step. I want to play G major and G minor with my left hand. I'm going to start with my fifth finger on G, up a whole step, up a whole step, up a half step, up a whole step. It's very easy to make this minor. I'm just going to take the third note and lower it a half step to the note B flat, from the note B to the note B flat. And you should be able to hear a difference. Between the major and the minor. It's important to memorize these positions so you can get to them quickly. That will help you in reading and playing.